आज हम RRb PO क्लर्क में पूछे गए प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चंस पढ़ेंगे। So let's move to the first question. In which one of the following errors are displayed for every instruction? A. Assembler, B. Interpreter, C. Compiler, D. Both, B and C, E. None of these. The correct answer will be B. Interpreter. Let's move to the next question. What does dots per inch DPI measures? A. Number of bits, B. Density of the pixels on a computer screen, C. The density of bits on a disk, D. Density of a graphics file stored on a hard disk, E. None of these. The correct answer will be density of the pixels on a computer screen. Let's move to the third. What is the full form of MAN? A. Man Area Network, B. Meter Area Network, C. Metropolitan Area Network, D. Managed Area Network, E. Master Access Network. The correct answer will be C. Metropolitan Area Network. चौथे क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं. Which of the following is not a network protocol? A. HTTP, B. FTP, C. SMTP, D. HTML, E. None of these. शायद ये बहुत आसान था. इसका सही आंसर होगा D. HTML. ये एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है. Let's move to the fifth question. What is access time? A. It is the time taken by the memory to store or retrieve a piece of data. It is the number marked on all memory chips. C. It is the memory clock. D. It is the transaction period between the CPU and the memory. E. None of these. The correct answer will be A. It is the time taken by the memory to store or retrieve a piece of data. छठवें क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं. The data are modified to specific code and protected in the sender side while transferring, and the special key is used to retrieve the original data in the receiver side. What is the process used in receiver side to retrieve the original data? A. Decoding, B. Encoding, C. Encrypting, D. Decrypting, E. None of these. The correct answer will be D. Decrypting. शायद ये भी बहुत आसान था. चलते हैं 7th क्वेश्चन की ओर. What is the term used to denote the repetition of the data in DBMS? A. Repeating, B. Restrict, C. Reappear, D. Redundancy, E. None of these. सही आंसर होगा D. Redundancy. चलिए बढ़ते हैं 8वें क्वेश्चन की ओर. Dash is the most important powerful computer in a typical network. A. Network client, B. Desktop, C. Network station, D. Network switch, E. Network server. सही आंसर होगा E. Network server. बढ़ते हैं 9th क्वेश्चन की ओर. The artificial satellite which revolves around the Earth and transmit information from Earth is basically called A. Geosynchronous satellite, B. Geostationary satellites, C. Low Earth orbits, D. Sun synchronous orbits, E. None of these. सही आंसर बनेगा B. Geostationary satellites. But 10th question here. What is the name of the portal in computer which allow additional devices to connect? A. Primary, B. Secondary, C. Peripheral, D. Optional, E. None of these. The correct answer is C. Peripheral. 11th question. What is the shortcut key to close currently open document in Microsoft Word? शायद ये बहुत आसान है. A. Control plus W, B. Control plus D, C. Control plus T, D. Control plus B, E. None of these. The right answer is A. Control plus W. चलते 12th question की ओर. In the C coding, studio.h is used as a dash file. A. Subroutines, B. Footer, C. Header, D. Increment, E. None of these. सही आंसर है C. Header. बढ़ते हैं 13th क्वेश्चन पे. Raw unprocessed facts including text, numbers, images and sounds are called dash. A. Applets, B. Data, C. Metaware, D. Product, E. Script. सही आंसर है B. Data. चलते हैं 14th क्वेश्चन पे. All of the following are true of safe mode except. इन सारे सही हैं, इनमें से एक बस वो गलत, वो अपन को बताना है. Safe mode is a spatial diagnostic mode. B. Safe mode loads all non-essential icons. Safe mode allows users to troubleshoot errors. Safe mode 14th question. All of the following are true of safe mode except A. Safe mode is a spatial diagnostic mode. B. Safe mode loads all non-essential icons. C. Safe mode allows user to troubleshoot errors. D. Safe mode loads only the most essential devices. E. None of these. The right answer is B. Safe mode loads all non-essential icons. Move to the 15th question. Changing the appearance of a document is called A. Proofing. B. Editing. C. Formatting. D. Correcting. E. All of the above. The right answer is C. Formatting. I think this was the easiest one. चलते हैं 16th क्वेश्चन की ओर. You can detect spelling and grammar errors by A. Press Shift plus F7. B. Press Control plus F7. C. Press Alt plus F7. D. Press F7. None of these. सही आंसर डी होगा. प्रेस F7. सिर्फ F7 दबा देंगे आप तो सारे स्पेलिंग और ग्रामर एरर्स डिटेक्ट हो जाएंगे. चलते 17th क्वेश्चन पे. Which of the following is necessary to track computer while connecting to internet? A. System number. B. Memory. C. IP. D. VP. E. DHCP. सही आंसर बनेगा C. IP. इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल. चलते हैं 18th क्वेश्चन पे. Which of the following is not an example of simplex? A. Radio broadcasting. B. Television broadcasting. C. Speaker. D. Walkie-talkie. E. None of these. The correct answer is D. Walkie-talkie. क्योंकि वॉकी-टॉकी में जब एक इंसान बोलना बंद करता तभी दूसरा बोल सकता. चलिए चलते हैं 19th क्वेश्चन पे. Which of the following layer is responsible for converting electrical impulse to bit streams? A. Presentation. B. Physical. C. Data link. D. Network. E. None of these. सही आंसर है B. Physical. 20th question. What is the maximum number that each of the four parts of an IP address can have? A. 345. B. 255. C. 197. D. 301. E. 127. The correct answer is B. 255. चलिए चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे. 21st. Which of the following extension is used to save image in the computer? A. .cmd. B. .xls. C. .vlc. D. .jpeg. E. None of these. The correct answer is .jpeg. चलिए चलते हैं 22nd क्वेश्चन की ओर. Machine language sometimes also referred as A. Binary language. B. High level language. C. Middle level language. D. Low level language. E. None of these. The correct answer is 20. A. Binary language. चलते हैं 23rd क्वेश्चन पे. Which is another name for functional language? A. Machine. B. Application. C. Low level language. D. High level language. E. None of these. The correct answer is B. Application. Next question. Dash translates the semantic instructions developed by programmers into the machine language. A. Assembler. B. Interpreter. C. Loader. D. Compiler. E. None of these. The correct answer is A. Assembler. Next question. Chrome is a dash software. A. Operating system. B. Application. C. System. D. Utility. E. None of these. The correct answer is B. Application. Next question. SRAM retains data as long as power is provided to the memory chip and need to be refreshed periodically. What does S represents? A. Stagnant. B. Storage. C. Simple. D. Static. E. None of these. The correct answer is D. Static. 27th question. The computer's capability of distinguishing spoken words is called dash. A. Voice analysis. B. Speech acknowledgement. C. Speech interpretation. D. Voice recognition. E. Vocalization. The correct answer is D. Voice recognition. 28th. While working in mail, V may came under the BCC. What does B represents? A. Blink. B. Black. C. Blind. D. Broad. E. None of these. The correct answer is C. Blind. Deleted mails from the inbox can be found in dash. Trash, spam, promotions, all mail, none of these. I think this was the easiest one. A. Trash is the correct answer. चलते हैं अपने लास्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर। व्हाट इज द कंपोनेंट्स दैट आर यूज्ड इन सेकंड जनरेशन कंप्यूटर? ए वैक्यूम ट्यूब, बी एलएसआई, सी पंच कार्ड्स, डी ट्रांजिस्टर्स, ई नन ऑफ दी ट्रांजिस्टर्स इज द करेक्ट आंसर। आई होप आप लोगों को क्लास अच्छी लगी होगी।